Hi, this is Dennis from Hawkbait Lofts. I got my birds out for a 16-mile toss this morning. Or it's not really morning, it's around noon. And I'm going to be turning them loose here. They got a little stiff headwind to go against today. But that'll be good for them. I'm going to turn them loose one box at a time. Okay, guys? Book it! Go, 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 go! Wow! They went behind me here. The wind blew them back. See if I can see them there. There they go. Might be able to see them there. They're going up pretty good. Well, they're heading in the right direction anyway. As soon as these cars get by, I'll release the other birds. I'm not sure if you can see the snow-capped mountains way in the background there, but that's Mount Lassen, and it's covered with snow. We got a lot of snow in the mountains now, thank God. This is all rice land out here. I'm probably about close to 20 miles from my loft. And the birds have about a 8 to 10 mile an hour headwind on the way home. Okay, that was the last truck here. I'll turn loose. Let's go, boys. Boys and girls, pick it up. And I'll let these last guys go here. Get along, little doggies. Oh, oh man. They almost had a collision there. There they go. There's some Canadian honkers way up there. Yeah, they're getting their bearings now. I can turn them a lot of times with this whistle. They're used to this whistle. But the wind's really blowing them to the east. Well, now they're heading in the right direction here. They're heading kind of northeast, so I'm going to head out of here myself. This is Dennis from Hawkbait Lofts. Until the next time, bye-bye.